Dysfunctional Vet. I just bought this quick change tool post set for the mini lathe. I'm waiting for the lathe to arrive. It's supposed to be there. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. And let's look at what we got. The packing list shows the drill head, 2 Allen wrenches, and whatever this is. Not really sure yet what it is. The key for the drill. These are replacement knurls. Moving over here, we have, now these are quick change tool posts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to this, we have 5 holders. They're all accounted for. Then we have this big block up here. And that is the rest of this piece right here that's still in the package. I'm not taking it out. I've just bought all this good stuff. That was kind of throwing me for a minute because I was looking for these 2 parts, and they are clearly right here. Whenever I set up my lathe, I'm planning to have a box to keep these parts in so that I don't run into a problem. Also, the Allen wrenches for these things are pretty important. And when I get the lathe, I will get all this set up in an area so that I can start working with it. The reason for buying this lathe, and I'm throwing this out there for any of you do-it-yourselfers or preppers or living off the land kind of people, I need some machine work done. I can do it on this mini lathe because it will accept up to a 3/4 inch shaft, which is the size that I'm working with. For me to get some very minor little work done, machine work done, will end up costing me more than the money that I've spent for the mini lathe, these parts, and I have some tools for this six tool set. It will cost me more for the machine work, basic machine work, just a little short amount of work, than it's going to cost me to buy this thing. But on the other hand, once I'm done, I can turn around and sell this basically for what I have in it and get my money back. So think of it as like going to a pawn shop, and in this case I'm the pawn shop. They're giving me a piece of equipment and I'm giving them some money, and when they give the equipment back, then I get my money back. So something to think about. One other thing too, I needed something the other day, and I was going to try to make one, but I wasn't set up for it. I didn't have the lathe or anything else. I ended up having to spend $400. But I was able to sell it. I used it one time, and then I was able to turn around and sell it for slightly more than I paid. About $12, I think. Now that's nothing to write home about and brag, but the point is, I couldn't rent the piece of equipment. I had to buy it. But there was somebody out there that was desperate and wanted it and bought it. So there we have it. With that said, Dysfunctional Vet out.